Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Rehearsal Studio rental businesses. For example, you have a Rehearsal Studio in where you can provide different facilities to your customer regarding the packages you are providing to them, as well as booking slot and customer support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Rehearsal Studio rental businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically, instantly. Even it can book slots without you doing anything by sending hi message on my WhatsApp business account of Rehearsal Studio. Here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Rehearsal Studios where music meets space. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options such as our facilities, our packages and support. If I'll click on our packages, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the packages they are offering to their customer. If I'll click on book slot, then it will respond to me like this. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual details of this Pabbly Rehearsal Studio. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically, instantly. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your Rehearsal Studio rental businesses, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings. where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the Get Helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder, so I'll click on this button Flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our Rehearsal Studio rental businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. Let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple types of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Rehearsal Studio. Now I want to add one welcome message for my customer. For that, I am clicking on this media button. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of my Rehearsal Studio by clicking on this button and upload it from my gallery. Here I uploaded. See, the image is updated successfully. I upload one image of my Rehearsal Studio here because it found impactful and interesting towards my customer. Now I want to add one welcome message for them. For this, I am clicking on this plus add content. Choose content type as text plus button and writing the welcome message for my customer in this enter message box. You can also enter caption here if you want to. Here I write the welcome message, while at the end of this message I'll ask my customer to how can I help you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some quick replies with the help of this plus add button. If I'll click on this, then it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as our facilities. The second button I'll write is our packages. And the third button I would like to give them as support. Here I write. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle so that our flow is connected to our message. Now if my users wants to know about the facilities that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the facilities that are available in my Rehearsal Studio. Here I write it. After that, I want to give some button to my customer that if they want to book a slot in my Rehearsal Studio, then they will click on that. For this, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write the first button as book slot and the second button I'll write is not now. Here I write it. Now, if my user wants to book a slot in my Rehearsal Studio, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write the thank you message for my users that thank you for booking the slot in my Rehearsal Studio. Here I write it. If my customer does not want to book any slot in my Rehearsal Studio, then they will click on this not now button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. And here in this enter message box, I'll write the respond message. Here I write it. Now it is completed. The second one is the R packages. If my customer wants to know about the packages that I am offering to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am selecting one text button from here. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this message box here and writing all the packages details that I am providing to my customer. Here I write it. While in this also I want to give some buttons to my customer, that is book slot. For this I am clicking on this plus add button and write one button as book slot. And the another button I'll write is not now. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of our packages to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now here if my customer wants to book a slot in my Rehearsal studio, then the respond message that my bot will give it to them would be the same that we were writing here. So I am connecting this circle, drag a line to this circle. The bot will give the same response. If they click on not now, then it will provide them this response. See, it is connected. Now, if my customer wants to know about the contactual details of my Rehearsal studio so that they will connect directly to me, then they will click on this support button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. And in this enter message box, I am writing the contactual details of my Rehearsal studio. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your Rehearsal studio rental businesses. After completing this, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically and book their slots in your Rehearsal studio by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Rehearsal studio. Hi, or instead of any message you can send, your bot will respond to them same. Here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Rehearsal Studio, where music meets space, including how I can help you today, while providing me 3 options, that is our facilities, our packages and support that we were written here. See, our facilities, our packages, support, including this image. See, now if I want to know about the packages, then I'll click on this our packages. Then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the packages details they are offering to their customer. If I'll click on our facilities, then it will respond to me like this while providing me 2 options below, that is book slot and not now, that we were written here. See, book slot, not now. If I'll click on book slot, then it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically, instantly. You also create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your Rehearsal studio rental businesses. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.